Today we've got part one of a two-part video on a Digitalfoto Luxceo P200 compact tube lights, soft and versatile RGBWW alternatives for cheaper than most pocket LEDs on the market. So let's get into it. Hey, what's up? I'm Scott and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing for more no-nonsense tutorials and reviews. So before even getting into this box, these lights have a lot going on for them on paper. They're 20 centimeter long, 6-watt RGBWW tubes with an IP65 water resistant rating, a magnetic body, remote and app control, a 2.5 to 6 hour built-in battery, and even a power bank function. And they come in at just $60. They're half the price of most pocket LEDs on the market, and granted, those are mostly almost double the power of these. The tube design is great for light painting, soft and pleasant tabletop product lighting, accent lights either hidden away or even still visible in the frame because of their shape, and just a lot more. And at this price, you can get a handful of them, which is a lot of the times even more useful. So today, we're just going to get this out of the box and take a look at what's included. We'll give a few quick first impressions, and then in the second video, we'll go for a deep dive into how to control them and what's built in, including how the remote and the mobile app work. So for now, the obligatory, what's in the box? Okay, there we go. So these are the lights. Let's continue the unboxing. So as you can see, these each, of course, do come with a remote. So I'm curious to see if you have more than one of these, if you can use one remote to control all of them together, or if you're going to have to use multiple remotes, which would be a little bit of a downer, but still, you have app control, so that's that. You get these little, I think they call them anti-lost straps on the website, but they're basically just little, wrist straps, of course. You get your USB cable, doesn't look too long. There we go, about, I'd say, 50 centimeters, let's guesstimate that. So I'm not sure if you can use these while you're actually powering them, if you can only rely on the inbuilt battery. I'm pretty sure you can use them while they're plugged in for longer amounts of time if you need to, but double check that, put it up on screen. And then you get the lights themselves in this nice little soft carry case. Very compact, very travel friendly. Inside that case, you get, of course, your instructions, which we'll check out later. And then you've got this like metal strip here, which I guess is meant to be taped or something onto whatever surface you may want to slap this onto, and boom. If you're curious, the magnets seem to be towards the end of the tubes, not in the middle. So it doesn't run the whole entire thing. There's a magnet here and a magnet here. So that's how that works. These tubes have this octagonal shape to them, and in one end you can see here you've got a 1/4 screw thread, as well as the little hole that you can put your anti-lost strap in if you want to. On the other end, you've got this rubber cover, which has a little power button icon on there, so you can push that to turn the power on and off. And you've also got the icon for USB. So this is a rubber flap that will open up and give you access to your USB-C and your standard USB ports. So that way, again, you can use this as a power bank or, of course, to charge the light's built-in battery. You can see the little button there under the cover as well. This will help to maintain that IP65 water-resistant rating. As you can see, there's that diffusion built into there, so you got that nice soft light right out of the box, which is really, really nice. Again, about the size of my hand from my wrist to my fingertips, a little bit more than that, 20 millimeters. If you're curious, you could magnetize a couple of these together. You could slap a couple together if you wanted to. Overall, the build quality feels pretty nice. The one thing, of course, that you might have noticed by now is the fact that there is no display screen on these. So as you're going through the settings and stuff, it'll be interesting to see how easy it is to do with and without the remote or the app. For now, if you have any questions about the basics with these little tube lights, what's included in the kit, the design, or anything like that, please let me know down below. And again, be sure to check out the second video where we're going to take a look at exactly how to take control of these, what's built in, how they work, all that good stuff. We'll do light output quality test in that video as well. So if you want to know things like CRI and all that in real life with a real test, then I will include that as well. Otherwise, if you found this video helpful or entertaining, please do consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing, sharing, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time.